So bottom of the falls is 0.4. And I guess we're at the overlook. Melanie has found her a spot here. So the first, right after you get off the upper parking lot trail, you're going to be in rocks and going downhill the whole way. But it's not too bad. It's just, for us, it's a little wet and slick. You know, I got two cameras going at once, my phone and this GoPro, but it's almost like you don't want to miss a memory, a moment. And I would suggest that to anybody out there doing stuff. Memories and moments go by so fast and so quick, it's hard to remember them all, because in the blink of an eye we'll be out of here, and who knows if we'll ever come back. But it's just something to behold, God's beauty. There's a rainbow. Wow. So Melanie just filmed a rainbow at the bottom. So this is the beautiful Foster Falls with tons of water pouring off into it. What do you think?
I love it. Look at the rainbow.
Gosh.
Look how it's showing up.
Wow. So don't know if you can see it, but there is a taller waterfall right there. People hiking up there on the top. It's really hard to see right now, but we're only a quarter-mile into this trail, and it's beautiful. You got rock cliffs all on this side of us, rock cliffs all on that side of us, and this creek, river, whatever you want to call it, we follow through the whole thing. It's only supposed to be high of 45. But man, it's once you get going, your heart starts pumping. You do get warm. So we are at exit 1 off the Climbers Loop. We're going to be attaching ourselves to the Fiery Gizzard Trail.
And you can see that we got hot.
It's
I had on a toboggan, I had on gloves, I had on a winter jacket. We've got it all on.
It's what, 40 degrees?
Yeah, but the sun on these rocks, I think, is
Yeah.
toasty.
And the whole mile that we just did, you're on rocks the whole time. But we're on rocks, so our goal is to get up here and somehow, looks like, be on the edge of that cliff.
It's great.
I don't know.
Great.
So we just climbed up. That was rough.
Yes.
I would rate that as a hard little stretch because it is hard. We climbed up, I don't know how many feet we just climbed up, but it's straight at 243 elevation. But we went down, I don't know if we're catching back up, but we are on the top. Oh, we go this way and then we go to Fiery Gizzard, yep. We follow this little trail spur. Don't look like it's too far. And we can tell already the difference in the temperature. Wow. It went from, yeah. Melanie's a smart gal. She said the rocks are keeping heat in, and it is true. So if you're ever cold, you're out in the middle of a snowstorm, survival skill number 1, find you some rocks, build you a fire, let the warmth radiate off the rock, and you will survive. I mean, it's good, isn't it? So we are on the Fiery Gizzard now.
Now this trail is nice.
Yeah, top 10 trails in America right here.
The other trail was nice, it's just rocky.
I am in love with these cliffs.
You ready?
Yes. I'm also in love with my wife. Yep.
We go this way?
Yeah. So the reason this is called Fiery Gizzard, legend, folklore have it that Davy Crockett was here, took the turkey, he's eating a gizzard, burned his throat by the, not he's a gizzard, and spit it out into the gorge. Hence the name Fiery Gizzard.
I think it should be Fiery Throat.
Yeah, Fiery Throat. So, legend also has it when you go down in the valley there, it's like a Hall's cough drop. It's really cool. I'm just kidding.
Where did you go?
I don't know. I'm just kidding. Me doing it once one thing, but you doing it gives me the willies.
Oh, fun when it's on the other foot.
That gives me the willies when you do that.
Now you know how I feel
I don't.
when you do it. I didn't see the other one do it.
Oh yeah. We've made the last turn for the loop and we're getting ready to cross over the little creek river. I don't know what the heck it is, but it's something. And we got another bridge. All in all, so far the trail is very good. The only part that I would say would be rough would be the climbers loop portion. The last probably half of that one. And it's rocky and steep. Oh gosh. Wow. So Melanie was standing on that cliff earlier and looking over the top, but man, this area is just beautiful. So you got this waterfall coming out of this stream going straight down the mountain